we are going to discuss about important functions in MS Excel. See, I have taken some function here. This is a range A1, B1, C1 and D1. These are the values which I have given. Now I'm using this sum 1, 2, 3. I'm adding, if I give this, answer will be 6. And see how this is given, sum 1, 2, 3. Now next is when I'm using sum and I'm giving a range, then the answer will be 14. This is how it is given. 14 will be the answer. Like sum 5, 10 true, then answer will be 16. This is 5 plus 10 plus 1. And this is how you will put a equal sign, and then only you will be writing rest of the things. Next is sum range plus, you may give any value also, that will give you 12. Then sum, a string value is given, and then 10 and then true. This is string value is converted to a numeric value, then it will be added with by 10. 10 will be added in that, and then true. It will give you 16. This is how equal sum. This way you will be writing. When you press enter key, you will get the answer. Now average. Average is another function which is used to get average of numbers. So this is average 1, 2, 3, and the average is 2. Average A1 to D1 is 3.50. Average 5, 10 true, that means 5 plus 10 plus 1 divided by 3 will be 533. Likewise, you may give the range, you may give any value. You may use string values also, and all those string values are converted to numeric values and added in the question paper. Now I'm going to start with count function. Count function is used to count a numeric value, date, or a formula which is given like here in this cell. So any formula or function which is there in the cell will be counted by this function count. Like a range is given F1 to J1, so this is F1 to J1. In this you may see this is not to be counted. This is a string value, this is true, this is 0, this is hello. Only this date will be counted. Your answer is 1. If I take F1 to K1, this is F1 to K1. Now you may see this is a numeric value 5 and a date, that's why it is 2. Now count F1 to H1. This is F1 to H1. These all will not be counted by this count function. Now H1 to L1. This is H1 to L1. Now you may see this date is there, numeric value is there, and this is a formula which is given here in this cell. So it is counted. These three things are counted by the count function. That's why the answer is 3. Likewise, if you are asked to give maximum or minimum, then also you may use this way. This is maximum A1 to D1. I have taken the same cells, A1 to D1, and when you press enter key, the answer 5 is given here. So you may see that range which I have taken 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5 is the maximum value. That's why the answer is 5. Likewise, minimum value if I have to find out is 2. But you have to give the formula how this 2 has arrived here or is here as output. So min, for this taking out minimum, you have to write equal min A1 to D1, the range you have to give, and it will give you the answer. Likewise, now we are going on this topic, which is next function is today. If this type of error is there, that means the space is less. You have to increase the space. Now today, if you just write today function like this, So it will give you a current date. See how this is given. Today, if you write today like this, equal today, then when you press enter key, it will give you the current date. Now month and today, if you write down month and you write down today like this, so it will give you the month in numeric or in in digits. So you can see here equal month today. It when you press enter key, it will give you 12, as 12 is the month over here. Likewise, if you write year today, it will return year of that specific date. Now if you write down day today, then it will give the day, that is 10, 1 to 30, 31. So all those day will be given numeric value. But if you want to have a string value, then you have to write text today MMM. You may see here text today MMM, and when you press enter key, December, the month will be given here. When you write 4 times M, month will be given. If you write 4 times D, then weekdays will be given over here. So I hope you all have understood all these functions which are given here. Now we will discuss on if function. Now you may see I have taken two columns, Hindi and English, and then total is taken. I have used this formula over here. This formula, I have taken this formula over here, A to B2, A to B2, and then I have dragged this down so that I may take out the total of Hindi and English. Now I am going to give the grace marks, and this is the condition key. If C2, this is C2 total, C2 is less than equal to 4, then C2 plus 2, that means 2 will be added. 2 are the grace mark which will be added to the totaling if it is less, if this total is less than or equal to 4. So let's see, I have given the formula. Now I am dragging it down. So you may see only one child here has got 3, therefore the answer is 5. Now let's take the grading. If you want to give a grade, then this is how you may give. If C2, I'm totaling on the base on the totaling. If C2 is greater than or equal to 6, excellent, you have to write, neither, otherwise you will write low. Now you may see when I enter, work hard has come, and now when I'm dragging this down, it will be excellent, as 10 is greater than 6, 8 is greater than 6. I have written greater than equal to 6, so 6 is excellent. Work hard, 3 is work hard, and this one is excellent. Now I am going to change these numbers. I'm making this the answer is excellent here, but as soon as I change this number to 3, let's see what happens. Now it is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5, and it is writing work hard. This is how things are done. So I hope you have understood it. Thank you.